Alright, hey guys, what's going on? Today's video I'm going to show you guys how to pair the i7s mini Apple Airpods knockies or knockoffs, whatever you want to call them. I'm going to show you guys how to pair them to the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 phone. So let's get started before we do anything with our phone. Basically, what we want to do is, of course, remove the i7s from the charging case. And then as you remove them, assuming that they are currently off, what you want to do is hold down onto the physical buttons that are currently standing out. Let me just get that macro in so you can see what's going on here. These little buttons right there next to that little hole. Basically, we're going to hold them down, both of them at the same time. You'll see them flash in blue twice, and then they will enter into pairing mode. And just let it go. Once it does that, the right side will go into pairing mode once they have both connected to each other. And there you go. And the reason why the right side goes into the pairing mode is that when you're receiving a call or making a call, only the right side works for phone calls. So with that, let's go ahead into the settings of our Note 8 here. We'll go to settings, and then we'll go to where it says connections. And under connections, we'll go to Bluetooth and power on the Bluetooth settings. And like other Android phones for Samsung, as you enable the Bluetooth settings, this is using Android Oreo, you will see where it says available devices, i7 mini. Just tap it one time. If you pay attention right down here to the lights, you'll notice they'll stop blinking once it's fully connected. And that's basically it for the guide. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. And thanks for watching. See ya.